cancer. The word that strikes fear and apprehension in the hearts of all. There are hundreds of different types of cancers and many still to be discovered with various symptoms and manifestations. Studies of autopsies have shown that 40% of women from the ages of 40 to 50 have microscopic cancers in their breasts, and about 50% of men from the ages of 50 to 60 have microscopic prostate cancers. Yet, without a blood supply, most of these cancers will never become dangerous. This phenomenon is called cancer without disease. Underlying the multitudes of variations of cancer is the common factor, angiogenesis. The question being asked today is, does anti-angiogenesis hold the cure of cancer? Firstly, what is angiogenesis? Angiogenesis is the process of the extension of new blood vessels from pre-existing blood vessels. The pre-existing blood vessels are believed to be formed in the embryo through vasculogenesis. Blood vessels contain the extracellular fluid, in the plasma portion of the blood, that acts as a medium for delivering energy, transporting chemicals, and eliminating waste. For all cells in the body to function properly, the system of angiogenesis must regulate the flow of energy, chemicals, and waste. The growth and stagnation of blood vessels is necessary to ensure homeostatic mechanisms, maintaining homeostasis as a response to changes in the internal or external environment. Angiogenesis usually happens in a couple certain situations: in the uterus of women that is shed typically every month, in the placenta connecting the mother and fetus, and after injuries blood vessels grow under the scalp to heal the wound. Angiogenesis is part of a negative feedback loop system. The process of angiogenesis is controlled by chemical signals. Stimulating or inhibiting effects of the chemical signals can grow blood vessels or interfere with blood vessel formation. For example, an increased metabolic demand due to deficiencies in blood flow carrying oxygen and energy stimulates blood vessels to grow. When there is an influx of unnecessary blood vessels, inhibitors will help in pruning them back. When angiogenesis is out of balance, a myriad of diseases result. For example, insufficient angiogenesis, not enough blood vessels, leads to wounds that don't heal, heart attacks, body parts without circulation, death from stroke, and nerve damage. On the other end, excessive angiogenesis, too many blood vessels, drives disease. This is seen in cancer, blindness, arthritis, and obesity. Cancer is a genetic disease caused by certain changes to genes that control the way our cells function, specifically how they grow and divide. These random changes are called mutations. Genetic mutations that increase one's risk of cancer can be inherited from parents or caused by environmental factors. Mutations can occur through the errors in DNA replication or contact with carcinogens, such as tobacco smoke, ultraviolet rays, and radiation. Each person's cancer has a unique combination of genetic alterations. Even within the same tumor, cancer cells may have different genetic changes.
Created using Powtoon.